Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will be seeing how you can prepare the budget 2021 notes using the PIB website and Evernote. So stay tuned with this video so that you can also create your own budget notes easily. So why should we make our own notes? Because if you depend on any other external sources for making any notes, they may omit any information or they may include any information which is not necessary. However, when you prepare your own notes, you will be able to understand the gist of the budget as well as you can select only those important things which are truly necessary from the examination point of view and create your own notes. So this is the PIB website. As you can see, this is the key highlights of Union Budget 2021. You can also print this to make a PDF. So open your Evernote and right click on the taskbar which has the Evernote option and then select this plus new note. So it directly creates a new note for you and then you can start your note making. So I have kept my heading as key highlights of Union Budget 2021-22 and then I'll be selecting only those important points which are necessary from the examination point of view. Like it is a digital union budget which is first. So I have included that in my notes. And then I included the 6 pillars of this budget. And those 6 pillars are important because you can quote them in the mains exam as well as if ever any other prelims exam they ask, you can also easily answer them. And then from the health ministry, you will be selecting those features or those provisions which are necessary. So you can see this here, like there is the new scheme called PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana. So this is a new scheme, central sponsored scheme. So the details about this scheme has been mentioned in the budget. So I'm selecting those important details as well as the new other schemes such as Mission Poshan 2.0 and then here the Jal Jeevan mission for the urban areas. These are all new schemes or they are the modifications of earlier schemes which are again renewed so that they can be easily implemented and targeted to the beneficiaries. So another here also there is Swachh Bharat mission again and productive linked incentive scheme for investment sector, and then the textile sector you have this Mitra scheme. So you can easily select those things which are necessary and you can easily delete them whichever is not necessary or which is redundant. So you will be left with only some pure important facts, and facts are important because you can quote them in various instances in your mains exam as well as in your interview. So here also this is this national monetization pipeline. This is also an important news because asset monetization has been given so much of importance in this budget. And then there is this allocation for capital expenditure, which is also another important thing, and various provisions made by Department of Economic Affairs. So what I'm doing is I'm selecting those important things which I feel and which are correctly important for the examination point of view. Like for this railway sectors and the highway sector, this Bharatmala Pariyojana and the National Railway Plan for 2030 and dedicated freight corridors. So these are constantly in news, and in the GS3 section of your mains this will definitely be an important source of information. And then we are coming to this PPP mode of infrastructure funding, and here the power sector, like the various hydrogen energy mission which is also important. Like you need to understand how the hydrogen energy is developed, produced, and how you will be storing that energy or how you will be dissipating the energy to the end consumers. So that's an important news article which you must cover. And then this is the extension of Ujjwal scheme which was earlier stopped in 2019. Again they have renewed it for 1 crore more beneficiaries. So that's an important news which you must make note of. And then there is the securities market code which is also another important thing here. Also there is this provision for increase in insurance sector. And then there are more such news like asset management company and asset reconstruction company. So these things we have earlier read in economic survey also, and the same things have been kept here in the budget 2021. So definitely these things are going to be important for this upcoming exams. And then here the various provisions of one person company and small company, like even NRIs can set one person company and the residency period has been reduced. Also this MCA 21 version 3.0. So yeah, these are very important things, and like this is the Swamitwa scheme for mapping of village areas. And also there is the agriculture credit, which is important. Like farmers issue is very important topic now, so you need to have a keen eye on the various provisions which are mentioned in that budget, as well as various schemes which are important for the farm sector. And then this is for the migrant sector. This is the One Nation One Ration Card scheme, which has already been implemented, and there are so many of beneficiaries who are getting the benefits of this. And for the school education, higher education sector, the Stand Up India scheme for greenfield projects, and the Eklavya model residential schools, and all these things. So this is basically a way to create your own notes without having any other dependence on other sources. So finally, this is what the budget notes will look like. So after about 20 minutes, I have selected those important information which is necessary, and I have deleted those unnecessary verbose. So you can see here I have dedicated this ministry wise, like port infrastructure, port shipping, power infrastructure, port shipping, petroleum, natural gas, financial sectors, development industries, fisheries, migrant workers, financial inclusions. This is a very neat way of making your notes so that you can have full control over note making, and you will also be able to remember those facts easily, because budget consists of various facts and which can be definitely asked in any of the exam. And also here the target of fiscal deficit, and what was the earlier target, have we reached them, what was the coming target, what is the fiscal deficit target for the upcoming year, and various other. So this is how I'm making notes of the budget 2021 using the PIB website and Evernote. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel to get such regular videos. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.